Good evening po sa inyo lahat mga tagapakinig. Tagapanood pala mga ito na naman po ang ating Skipbo full episode 4. So, narito pa rin po ang ating card game. This is our 4th episode na po ng ating Skipbo. And the date is July 24, 2024. So, let's shuffle our deck and then start the game. So, 5 cards for the stockpile and 5 cards in our hand. Dati pa natin ginagawa. Pag dumating tayo ng episode 10, we have 10 cards of stockpile. Ito dito. So, pero ngayon, we have full episode 4. So, we have 5 cards in our stockpile. So let's give our stockpile 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the opponent has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then our hand, from our hand, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5. So, ito po ay dilagay natin sa gilid ang ating personal draw pile natin. Community draw pile. Sa gitna ulit po natin ay we have building piles. So, then dito sa harap po natin ay meron tayong 4 discard piles. So, ganoon din po sa ating building pile. We have 4 building piles in the center of the play game po natin. So, each player flips their own personal stockpile. So, we have 7. The opponent has 5. So we have cards. So we have to discard now. So discard the 9. So the opponent's turn has 1. So they can play the 1. Then they have to discard their 10. So discard. So usok natin yan. So, okay. Na-discard na po yung 10. So 1. So, okay. So, our turn, we have 4 cards. We have back up to 5 cards. So, we have to discard again. So, the opponent has 3 cards. So, they have to back up 2 cards to form their hand again. So, they have no card to playable. So, discard the card 12 in the discard pile. So, our turn again. So, we have to draw 1 card. So, we have to discard the 8 entirely. So, ganun pa rin. Magdi-discard pa rin tayo. So, sequentially po, 1 to 12. When the building pile reaches 12, it is removed and shuffle to the other cards kapag namabot na ito ng 12. So, ngayon, they have discard a card 9 here. So, our turn again. So, we have 4 cards. We have 1 to draw. Have to discard again the card. It's entirely ginagawa natin. Ayun. This is our stockpile. So, okay. So, ganun pa rin, ulitin. The process will continue hanggang sa makarating tayo gumawa ng 2. So we have to draw again. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1. So how to discard again are 6. So, pero teka. So we have 1 there. So we have to play our skip a wild card, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops! Naubos ang aking kamay. So, kapag hindi pa natin naubos, kapag hindi pa tayo nag-discard, pag di pa natin in-discard natin ang waling card dito sa ating discard pile, continue pa rin ang ating tira, nabubunot ulit ng 5 cards. So, I have 7 here, so we have to play that 7. Skip a wild card. Pwede ka rin magsimula ng build. Skip a wild card using 1, 5. So, we have to force that. So, we have 5. So, 7. We have 8 there. So, pwede natin tira yan. 8. 9. So, we have to discard 1 card. So, we have 8. So, discard natin ang 8. So, that is another 1 here. So, 5. So, 1 yung dito. So, sa panibagong building pa natin. So, have 9 dyan. So, our turn ends. Discard na tayo. So, discard yung 8 kanina. So, the opponent's turn. 1, draw. Draw 1 card. So, they can play the 1. So, 1 din ito. So, they have find 2. But, we may 10 na tayo dito. So, we have 10. Then, wala na pong tira. So, we have to discard our card 7. Para tandaan po, mga taga-panood po natin, ang stockpile po natin ay tinitira lang ito sa building pile. Hindi siya i-discard sa discard pile. Nilalaro lang ito sa building pile. Okay. So, we have 3 cards. So, the opponent's turn ends. So, we have 2 cards to draw. Okay, 1. So, we have 1. Exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, okay. So, 5. Flip the next card. 1. Okay. 6, 7, 8. So, we have win. So, the previous round is player 1 wins. So, player 1 wins again. So, we have next round again in episode 5. This is episode 4. Then, magkita-kita ulit tayo next episode. Before we go, bago tayo magtapos sa ating video, we have to count their points. So, ganun pa rin. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 plus 25 equals 50 points. So, you have 50 points. So, pinulit ko pa sa inyong mga taga-panood. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also, click the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa ating mga susunod pang video sa ating YouTube channel or YT channel. At inirecommended ko na rin po sa inyo na i-download na rin ang Skip Bow dyan po sa inyong cellphone or sa phone nyo po. Then mag-sign in lang po kayo. Then at makakuha ka agad ng golds. Ang golds ay ginagamit yan para bumili at para magamit mo sila sa adventure mode. Ang adventure mode ay nakakuha ka rin ng free coins every 1 hour. Then, meron pang mga awesome rewards na kayo makukuha. So, kaya i-download na ang Skipbo at mag-sign in at magkakaroon kayo ng coins agad. Kaya, ano pang hinihintay ng mga tagapanood? I-download na ang Skipbo. So, makita-kita pa tayo sa next episode. Kita-kits na naman po mga tagapanood. See you later in the next episode. Bye-bye!